Folks, St. Paul's Steam here in machine with a Peake number 2. Let's see, yeah, there it is. It's in there. You can't really see it. But I had to do a little work on this. We had to do quite a bit of work to the valving. Had a lot of crazy glue in there. Got that out of there. The hardest part was soldering that back on this bottom nipple right there without unsoldering everything else. So that took quite a bit of setup. I had to put it in my mill and clean out the glue that was in there, and we got her all soldered back together good and strong. And she's running on right at 2 pounds. Let's see if we can get her down a little bit. There we go. It will run at 2 pounds for a single acting. That's about as good as you're going to get. I know I can run it off of my breath. And let's hook it up to the... actually got a little bit of power. There we go. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did put an oil cup on there. Just needed one on top of the eccentric. It really wasn't any good place to oil it, so we added one of those to it as well. It's got a nice oil reservoir here, but she does have some power. And it will run the vintage stamp press. So thanks for looking, folks. As always, I appreciate it. Have yourself a good day now. Bye.